Guys, what's up? I'm gonna play Extreme Landings, and where did it go? Well, this plane isn't really working, so I'm gonna exit out of it. Pause. Quit. Yeah, I don't really like that plane, so I'm gonna do. I'll do this one. Okay, land now. And start. Anyways, I can't wait to start doing stuff with my friend. He's gonna bring my GoPro over. Oh, there we go. I guess my joystick isn't really connected to the game. Shoot, forgot to put down the landing gear. There's
400,
the signal.
approaching minimums. 200, 150.
Ooh, I think I landed it. You know how I don't really land them too much? I think I landed it. Yep. Looks like I landed it. That's pretty rare. Usually like Asian Airlines, so they always crash. Oh, yes. I did it. Anyways, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.